To secure safety, performance and quality in your production, you have to calibrate your tools. The most professional and leading tool calibration providers today are accredited with highly skilled technicians. This is how an Atlas Copco tool calibration is performed by an accredited calibration center. This calibration can be carried out in a lab or in the field. First, the tool is inspected and a functional test is done. After that, we test the motor by performing a motor tuning. Then calibration is performed following the correct national standard. Atlas Copco tool calibration is only performed using traceable equipment. The tool will be optimized and adjusted if needed for best performance. A calibration certificate is then issued according to the national standards and a sticker placed on the tool. The document is then stored for a minimum of 10 years. So let's summarize the benefit of an Atlas Copco tool calibration. Initial inspection, functional test and motor tuning secures a correct performing tool. If the tool is outside perimeters, the customer is informed, no surprises. The calibration procedure follows national standards, securing a correct calibration. Only traceable equipment is used. We follow ISO 17025 accreditation. A calibration certificate is issued following national standards, correct documentation. Documentation storage for a minimum of 10 years in case of lost documents or liability issues. By having your tools correctly calibrated, you'll maintain quality, performance and safety in your products. And not to mention peace of mind.